Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here. So today is my time to do a re-unboxing of this 5-year-old Samsung original faster wireless charging technology. And so, without further ado, let's get started. This wireless charging was released in 2017, just like a Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Galaxy Note 8. This is the front look, originally from Samsung Malaysia. As you can see, Malaysia authorized distributor. This is the original price, 339 ringgit, quite expensive on that time. 10 minutes for the charging, 120 minute chatting, 60 minute playing, 50 minute texting. It means after 10 minutes of charging with wireless charging fast. This is 15 watt, pet and send. So it has two options, whether you want to half stand or just pad like this. So let's move to the back side. This is the how to use. You can pause the video if you didn't catch it, of course. At the side, nothing. Alright, so now let's unbox. Wow, still in good conditions, you can see. Very clean, very comfortable leather. I really like the smell. Max is 15 watt, like I said just now. This is the lights. So this is the pad. The first option. The second option is just like this, and bring it up. Very simple. A quick start guidebook. A Samsung battery pack 5100 mAh. Oh, wow, a Galaxy S8 original case from Samsung. Very beautiful. I really like them so much. Oh, it has a two color, which is black and gold. Very nice. Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus accessories. Wow, so happy with the design. I really like them so much. But it has one missing things, which is the micro USB to Type-C, but never mind. So here's the fast charge wireless charging. It is original, like I said just now. For now, I only have two devices which is the support wireless charging, is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Both of these phones is support fast wireless charging on this Samsung wireless charging. Now, let's try the wireless charging on these two devices. Alright, so this is my wireless charging. My original Samsung A30 15 watt. Adaptive fast charging. And the original long Belkin Type-C cable. Here's my SOH and the Galaxy Note 8. Oh, it's my cat, very cute. Now let's connect it. Connect over here. Very simple. Now let's try out my Galaxy S7 Edge first. Just put it here. It works. It supports fast wireless charging too, as you can see. About 37 minutes until fully charged. So it does support 15 watt wireless charging to the S7 series. Now let's try the Galaxy Note 8. Let's put it here. Also, it does support. As you can see, about 34 minutes until full charge, fast wireless charging. Very nice. Now let's try this 10 one. It has a blue color if your device already connected to the wireless charging or support wireless charging. It will turning on this blue light. Very interesting. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this re-unboxing a 5-year-old Samsung original faster wireless charging technology in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Hope you like it.